told Goliath. Wakati David anaangalia Goliath anaona kona mbili. Lakini Daudi anamwambia, I come to you in the name of the Lord. When you approach issues with the name of God, He can never let you down. The Bible says the name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run upon it and they are safe. You only need the name of God to be a strong tower in your workplace. Haijalishi ni mangapi wanasema. Unajua kuna watu wanapogundua unataka kuinuliwa at your workplaces, wanaanza na vitina, wanaanza kusema huyu aliiba sukari, mwingine anasema alienda na kitu fulani na haukufanya. Don't be distracted by such people. Remind them you have a greater God. He will fight your battles. He will be there for you. Hata kama walikwamilia promotion yako, nimekuambia siri ni magoti. Promotion yako itarudi utakapojinyima na useme, I proclaim my blessings. I proclaim the word of God. Hallelujah. Patia mwenzako high five. Mwambie na bado tuko. Last one. Nehemiah resolved injustice and conflicts. He knew the destruction of conflicts and injustice were necessary in order to continue building. Nehemiah resolved injustice and conflicts. I want God to raise leaders here who are ready. Wakati mtu amewazika kanisani, they go, they pull that person down. Don't lose your members. Don't ignore. Wacha kwanza mtu anatoka kanisani kama amekwazika na anaenda. Have that time to follow them. Go and ask where it went wrong, because you will be accountable for that one soul. That is why Jesus left 99 na akaendea moja ambaye ilipotea. Go and look for people who went outside this church. Kama wamekwazika, leaders, go and talk to them. Let them come back to the church for the glory and honor of the name of God. Na kama ni wewe unafanya watu wanatoroka kanisani, kama ni wewe unapiga watu na maneno mpaka wanatoroka kanisani, change before God changes you. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. The church belongs to God. Even the money that we are going to contribute belongs to God. Na wakati mnajenga nyinyi wote, glory and honor will go back to the Lord. And mtakuwa mnaangalia mnasema, surely God has done it for us. Why was it important to rebuild the walls around Jerusalem? Why it was important to rebuild the walls around Jerusalem, and why it is important to rebuild the walls in Kawangware Friends Church? Number one, the walls of Jerusalem was broken down and its gates had been burned with fire. Nehemiah chapter 1 verse 3. According to the report Nehemiah received, the remnant in Jerusalem was ashamed. A city with broken walls was revealed a defeated people. Nehemiah realized that there was need to rebuild the wall, because when the walls are cracked, when the walls are broken, that city was regarded as a defeated city. When we see loopholes in our lives, when we see loopholes in our families, na tusipoziba hizo loopholes, usifikiri zitaendea watu wengine, watakuwa wanasema familia yenu. Kanisa mnapoharibu, usifikiri watasema ni mlinzi, watasema kanisa ya Kawangware. So when you realize there are loopholes, make sure you rebuild the loopholes. Number two, it showed God's blessings upon his people again. Nehemiah quoted God's words to Moses in his prayer, saying, if you return to me and obey my commands, then even if your exiled people are at the farthest horizon, I will gather them from there and bring them to the place I have chosen as a dwelling place for my people. Nehemiah chapter 1 verse 9. And number 3, it was an important sign to the enemies of Israel. Nehemiah told their enemies, the God of heaven will give us success. We, his servants, will start rebuilding. But as for you, wear no share in Jerusalem or any claim or historic right to it. Nehemiah chapter 2 verse 20. Nehemiah realized that it was good to be in the presence of God. Na akaambia maadui that our God will give us victory and success. Kawangware local church, your God will give you victory and success. Your God will make your haranga to be successful. The God that you serve will give you victory, not only in church, but even in your workplaces, even in your homes, even in your families. There shall be the peace of God. And Paul says, this peace surpasses human understanding, and it will dwell in your family and at your workplaces. Praise the Lord. And lastly, rebuilding the walls showed that God was with his people. Rebuilding the walls showed that God was with his people. Nehemiah chapter 6 verse 16. Then in conclusion, the destruction, as I conclude, the destruction of Jerusalem's wall left its people exposed to great trouble and shame. Rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem was important because it revealed God's blessings and showed God was with his people. The walls provided protection and dignity to the people who had suffered the judgment of God, but had later been restored and returned to the promised land. Praise the Lord. When we rebuild our walls, when we realize the problems that we are facing and solve those problems amicably, then the presence of God will come. Take part in church activities. Take part in church activities. And everything that is done in church, make sure you are part of it. Usikuwe tu kukuja kukaa kanisani, service ikiisha unaondoka. Take part in this Harambee. Tell God, I have committed myself to this Harambee, and as long as I will give, my family will never remain poor. As long as I give, my family will never be buried prematurely. As long as I give, my family will never succumb to the pressures of the world. As long as I give, my family will be lifted. My people will be lifted. And united we shall stand. We shall proclaim the word of God, and we shall stand for the truth, because we have to rebuild the walls. We have to rebuild the relationships in our families. We have to go back and ask for forgiveness. We have to go back to the Lord and say, Jehovah, here we went wrong, and therefore we are coming back to you. We are repenting of our sins. And that is what Nehemiah said, and that is what Nehemiah did. He realized that they had done wrong, and he went before the Lord and asked for forgiveness. Not unless we do that, our Harambee will be in vain. Our fundraise will be in vain. We have to put God first and realize the power of God in our fundraise, the power of God at our workplaces, the power of God in our families, the power of God to our relatives, so that the mighty power of God will be exalted, and God will continue to be lifted high as long as we live. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. So brothers and sisters, be encouraged, be equipped, stay alert in prayers. Wake up at 3, pray that the heavens will hear you. Pray that every disaster in your life, God will help you. Emulate Nehemiah, emulate Elijah, emulate Elisha, emulate Esther, emulate Daniel, emulate Ezekiel. There are so many people who prayed and they got results. You have the power and potential within you. You can pray for this Arambe. You can take a bold step and say, I am offering this because of this church, because of the ministry of God, and your life will never be the same again. May God bless us all.
Let us stand up, all of us. Kila mmoja umesikia sehemu yako. We want to tell God something.